back to Scouter Jeff Asks a Question. Today's question is, what are some common poisonous plants? Being able to properly identify and do the first aid for hazardous plants in your own area, neighborhood, campsite is really important to a fun experience. So I'm going to be talking about some very common types of plants that you might encounter out there. The most common of which is poison ivy. I've seen poison ivy everywhere. I've had poison ivy. It's not fun. It grows as a vine or a shrub. You can always tell poison ivy because it's got these 3 leaflets. They've got smooth surface, fairly smooth edges, and they're somewhat shiny. Strawberries, wild strawberries, also 3 leaves, but they have these jaggedy edges on the leaves, so you can always tell the difference that way. They're common in wooded areas. In Minnesota, that means there's a lot of opportunity for them to grow, and they can really be found across the United States, so you gotta watch out for that. Another kind of common poisonous plant is poison oak. It grows as a wooded vine or shrub. It also has stems of 3 leaflets, but these are toothed or lobed. They look kind of like an oak leaf. Also a little bit shiny, but they're mostly found in the southern into the western United States. And then finally you've got poison sumac. Poison sumac really grows as a small tree or a shrub. It's got more than 3 leaflets. It's got 7 to 13 leaves. They're slender and long. They grow in pairs right across from one another. And those are mostly found in the eastern United States. And they're really found in boggy areas, in swamps, in clay soil. So not something you're going to run into if you're off camping in a dry wooded area. Now, what do all 3 of these things have in common? All 3 of these plants have an oil on them. And that's what causes the reaction with your skin. So once the oil gets on your skin, it can irritate it and it can cause it to get really itchy and rashy. The best way to prevent this is to wash the area immediately. You've got about 10 to 20 minutes before the reaction starts. So if you get it off before that, you're going to be okay. But you really got to scrub it off because that oil's sticky. Try not to scratch it. It's an oil, so if you scratch it, you'll get it on your fingers. You might spread it up your arm. You might touch other parts of your body and get it there. So don't do that. And if you get it, if it's a severe reaction, if you get it in your eyes or somewhere else, seek medical attention right away. So those are some common poisonous plants. Hope this video really helped with that. Remember to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome scouting updates. And until next time, happy scouting.